Good morning, student. Let's start today's class. In today's class, we are going to study about channel capacity. Okay, the maximum. What is channel capacity? The maximum rate at which data can be transmitted over a given communication path or channel under given condition is referred to as a channel capacity. That means the rate or the maximum rate at which the data can be transmitted over a channel, over a distribution line, or over a communication path under given condition. Here under given condition means in spite of there is a noise or distortion in the channel, the maximum rate at which the data can be transmitted, that rate is called channel capacity. माने गोटे चैनल आम प्रीवियस क्लास देखीचे ट्रांसमिशन लाइन ले बहुत प्रकार डिस्टोर्शन अच्छी जोटा कि चैनल इम्पेयरमेंट कह जाए डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इम्पेयरमेंट अच्छी दैट इज डिस्टोर्शन अच्छी नॉइज अच्छी ओके एटेन्यूएशन अच्छी सही सब नॉइज डिस्टोर्शन एटेन्यूएशन को ओवरकम करिकी जो मैक्सिमम रेट रे डाटा ट्रांसमिट हुए चैनल ले सेटा को चैनल कैपेसिटी कह जाए और सेटार को सही चैनल रो सही कम्युनिकेशन पाथ रो चैनल कैपेसिटी कह जाए ओके देयर आर फोर कॉन्सेप्ट आर रिलेटेड टू द चैनल कैपेसिटी ओके दिस फोर कॉन्सेप्ट आर वन इज डाटा रेट from previous classes we have already shown that what is data rate, the rate at which data can be transmitted, and it is denoted by in bit per second, that is bps. Okay, then coming to bandwidth. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the range of frequency between which a signal is transmitted. That means bandwidth is the difference of minimum frequency of the signal and the maximum frequency of the signal. Let's say f1 is the minimum frequency of signal and f2 is the minimum frequency of maximum frequency of the signal. Okay, let's say f1 is equal to minimum frequency and f2 is maximum. f2 is 1 minute maximum frequency. Okay, then f1 then bandwidth equal to f2 which is maximum frequency minus f1. This is called bandwidth. That's why we call the range of frequency between which the signal is transmitted. Okay, that is called bandwidth. Then the noise, you know, the distortion, the average travel of noise over the communication path is called noise here. Okay, error rate means the rate of error. That means the rate at which error occurs, whereas error is reciprocation of 1 when 0 was transmitted. That means when we transmitted 0 both in receiver and it received 1, that is called error, and the rate at which error occurs, that is called error rate. Okay, then come to the transmission medium. We also studied about the transmission medium in a previous classes. Okay, what is transmission medium? The media by which the signal is transmitted from sender to receiver, that is called transmission medium. Okay, a transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that carry information from a source to destination. Sender is source and the receiver is destination. Okay, it may be cable or wireless. Okay, next, in telecommunication, Transmission medium can divided into two broad categories. One is guided media, one is unguided media. Okay. In guided media, there are three types of guided media: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optics cable. And unguided media, one is free space. Okay. Now let's see these two one by one. Okay. Guided media. What is guided media? Guided media, which are those that provide a conduit, conduit from one device to another, includes twisted pair cable and coaxial. That means guided media, the medium through which we transmit our signal, is guided or is provide a uh, specified path. Okay, that is called guided media. Okay, that means we send our signal माने मोर कहया मतलब माने जो मीडिया रे आमे मेसेजटा सेंड करुचे सेही मीडिया जदि ताकू से मीडिया को गाइड करा पारला जे आमे स्पेसिफिक डेस्टिनेशन को जीवा एई वे रे जीवा आउ कोडे जीवानी तो माने एटा कॉमन सेंस रे कहूची एई वे रे जीवा आमे जीवानी सेटा कोन कोन गाइडेड मीडिया सेमिति आमे ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल कोएक्सियल केबल फाइबर केबल आमे फिजिकल केबल यूज करचे तो आमे कोन सेंडर सोर्स रु आ डेस्टिनेशन को जाउची तो सेटा गोटे स्पेसिफाई वे होगला गोटे रास्ता होगला स्पेसिफाई रास्ता से ही रास्ता रे ही आमर किए जीव ट्रांसमिशन जो मेसेज सिग्नल ओके से गुड़ा गाइडेड मीडिया कहुए ए सिग्नल ट्रावेल एलोंग एनी ऑफ दिस मीडिया इज डायरेक्टेड एंड contacted by the physical limits of the media. Okay. तापर आसो देखिए what is twisted pair cable है a twisted pair cable consists of two conductor, one is this and one is this. Okay, each with its own plastic insulator. This is plastic insulator and twisted together. Okay, on of the wires one of the wires is used to carry, and this is one. Okay, correct it. One of the wire is used to carry signals to the receiver. Okay, from these two wires, one wire carry the signal to the receiver and the other is used only as a ground reference. Other is carries the ground reference. One wire carry information but other wire carry the ground reference. Okay. In addition to the signal sent by the sender on one of the wire, interference and crosstalk may affect both wire and create unwanted signal. That means आमे गोटे वायर रे इनफॉरमेशन पठाउछे आ गोटे वायर रे ग्राउंड रेफरेंस पठाउछे हला तथापि सेही गोटे वायर रे जो इनफॉरमेशन पठाउछे तथापि सेतरे इंटरफेरेंस होउची हला क्रॉसटॉक होउची आ सेही बोथ हेई गला परे बोथ वायर रे से अनवांटेड सिग्नल क्रिएट करूची हला सेति पई आमे कोन करछे जे सील्ड ट्विस्टेड वायर केबल यूज करछे हला सील्ड ट्विस्टेड वायर केबल कोन देखिबा आसो हला unshielded versus shielded twisted pair cable hela the most common twisted pair cable used in communication is referred to as unshielded twisted pair cable आमे commonly unshielded twisted pair cable यूज करू किंतु जो आड़े एरर और नॉइज को आमे रिड्यूस करिया चाहू बहुत मिनिमाइज परसेंटेज को रिड्यूस करने चाहूँचे से ही आम सील्डेड ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल यूज करवा है आ सील्डेड ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल कौन एज ए मेटल फॉयल और ब्रेंड मैश और braided mesh covering that encase each pair of the insulator. That means this is unshielded unshielded twisted pair cable. This is shielded. Difference କ'ଣ ନା ଏଥିରେ ଦୁଇଟା ଯେଉଁ କେବୁଲ ଆମ ଦୁଇଟା ଯେଉଁ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟର ଅଛି ଟ୍ୱିଷ୍ଟେଡ଼ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ ତା ଚାରିପଟେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ କଭରିଂ ଥିବ ଟୋଟାଲ ଉପରେ ଓକେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଥିବ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ନା ଟ୍ୱିଷ୍ଟେଡ଼ ହେଇକି ତା ଚାରିପଟେ ଗୋଟେ ମେଟାଲ ସିଲ୍ଡ और गोटे मेटाल जाली टाइप गोटे मेटाल मेश टाइप ताक गुड़ा होती तापर प्लास्टिक कवरिंग दिया ही कह जाए मेटाल सील्ड आईटा नॉइज इट रिड्यूस द नॉइज इन मीडिया ओके मीडिया रे मीडियम रे नॉइज को प्रिवेंट करे नॉइज को क्रिएट दिए ओके थैंक यू।